The next step is going to be cutting your material around for it to look like this. This is what you're aiming for. With my paw pads, it has a small, like literally, like I want to say like either a centimeter or a millimeter. It's your preference, but as long as you're not cutting on the line where you made your stitches, you want to leave that much material around to be able to hold it in place. You got your scissors. Bam. What I normally do is I put my finger here to separate the fur from the material, so like that you're cutting when you're cutting slowly. Okay, so you're gonna go there. What I normally look at, when you put your finger behind, you see how there is a small, like almost like an invisible line that you can kind of see. I don't know if you notice it, but you're gonna cut like where your finger is at. If you run your scissors across your finger, you're gonna kind of cut there. Let me show you. So I clip. What helps too, instead of cutting like up and down, you want to turn your scissors to the side, not up and down, but a little bit on an angle, because it helps when you will put the scissors, you will feel it on your finger, but don't freak out, it's okay. Like I said, cut slowly around and then adjust when need be. So after the small little time lapse, because you didn't have to really watch that so slowly, I'm not going to do it too fast like I did in my other videos, you're going to have this. This will be your finished product. Now you can go back with the scissors and trim off, without cutting the fur, trim off a little bit of the excess if you don't like how it looks, and that is your finished product. Now if you want to go the extra mile, normally I have a needle, just a regular needle, and you'll notice that the fur here underneath where you have sewn, is stuck underneath the paw pad. You can either leave it like this if that's your aesthetic. I go the extra mile for all of my paws and I pick it out. You hold the bottom with your finger and your thumb and just pick out that fur. It makes a world of difference. It really does. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You guys can find me on all social media. I will post it in the links down below. I have a Facebook, I have a Twitter, I have Instagram, all under Hiero Craft Creations. The spelling is on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Thank you so much everybody for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Bye bye! Bye bye!